From rapping to running the biggest city in the United States by population, meet Zodhan Kwame Mamdani, New York City's first Muslim mayor. Winning with over 1 million votes, he's the son of award-winning filmmaker Mira Nair and Columbia University professor Mahmoud Mamdani. Zodhan Kwame Mamdani was born and raised in Kampala, Uganda, and moved to New York City with his family at age 7. He became a naturalized citizen years later. He was given his middle name Kwame by his father to honor the first president of Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah. Before politics, he worked as a housing counselor in Queens, helping low-income families fight eviction. Now let's look at some of his bold policies. Free universal health care for children under 5, rent freezes, and taxes on big corporations and the wealthiest New Yorkers. In the past few months, his support exploded. Thousands volunteered and his social media game unmatched. He was everywhere, hitting the streets, talking to people, and partying with New Yorkers in the clubs. He ran a campaign that celebrated identity and culture and went viral more than a few times. A few days to the elections, Zodhan went bar hopping. He went from Poppy Juice, a queer Latino party in Brooklyn, to an Afrobeat Caribbean party, where tons of people filmed him singing to Empire State of Mind by Alicia Keys and Jay-Z, which has become an internet sensation. Some New Yorkers say they haven't been this hyped about a politician since Obama. He assumes office January 1, 2026, and all eyes are on him.